Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to show you a simple PowerShell script that will clean out the temp directory. So what I've been doing is I've just been creating a few new documents, for example, and we'll put some text in here just to give it some space that it's used. And now I'm going to basically use this command. Now what this does is it goes and looks for items in C Windows Temp, so it's pretty much star.star, and it basically removes the item with a force key and recurse. If I had to press enter, as you can see on the left hand side, everything was removed from the temp directory. So if you want to see that in action again, I will create a few more documents just to show you that it's not specific to anything. And if I run it again, it'll be deleted. And that's how simple it is. Thank you very much for watching.